Why are you crying? What is the problem? You're not talking to me. Why the tears?
Listen, please. Just stop asking these questions. Stop it. Now I know the reason you told me my sister always spoke good of me. How decent a woman I am. How I would be the best thing any man would want in his life. Really? So did I know that you were saying those words to me just to get me in bed to satisfy your selfish desires? Oh well, good. Fine. Now that selfish desire of yours has yielded something, be ready to embrace it because it has given birth to something very big.
I don't really get it. I don't know exactly where you are driving at.
You want me to speak Latin before you understand what I am saying? I'm pregnant. I'm not saying anything. Oh, I see. Greg, you are happy. You are happy that I will face this shame alone. You want people to mock me that I got pregnant for my late sister's husband barely a month she died, and probably give birth to a bastard because nothing on earth will make me terminate this pregnancy. I would do it. This is not fair. This is not. I did this so I could help my late sister take care of her son. Since you're not always around and help you get out of this emotional trauma, this is what I get. What were you even thinking? Did you even think of your reputation as well as mine? Well, I hope you will not be embarrassed when the world gets to know of this our shameful act.
Why are you sounding this way? What did I do? Okay, what do you want us to do?
Not again. Come on. Sit up, okay? Just sit up. Relax. I know how hard this is for you. I understand the pain you're going through. I know it's not been easy for you to get over your wife. I know how hard it is to forget her death. But this is not the best way. You're going about it the wrong way. Listen. That's why I'm here. Okay? I'm here to fill the gap. To make you feel better. To make you feel like a man. To make you happy. To give you joy and make you complete. That's why I'm here. Even if I know it's really a hard task for me to do, but I'm just going to do the little I can. Okay? I'm going to take you inside right now so you could have your bath and have a good sleep. But first, we need to take this. So, come on, let's go. Let's go. Just stand up. Just stop it. Stop it. You're my sister's husband. Stop it. Stop.
How could you? How can you think of marrying your sister's husband barely 1 month after she's been buried? Asama, your twin sister. Hello. It is an abomination. Akunu sikwado. Akunu balwe bulu biaba bem. Amemme kwano, amemkwakwa weme. Hey! Hello. It can't happen.
Grandma,
I don't know why you're asking all this. Really, I don't know why you're asking. I just want to marry him so I could take care of him and my late sister's son. Simple. Is that supposed to be a big deal? Moreover, what I'm doing should even be seen as an act of charity. We only came here to tell you so you could give us your consent. And I don't know why you're condemning me. Moreover, I'm pregnant for him.
I choose to pay deaf ears to that. Hey!
Grandma?
Leave my house. Go! Leave my house! Go away!
Have you seen it? Have you seen the kind of humiliation you have subjected me to? I'm going through this because I just wanted to help your late wife out. Nothing else. I now see the way Grandma reacted. And I'm just doing so that she can be happy wherever she is. Just look at the shame.
You see, right now I'm just very confused. I just hope... Okay, what do you suggest we do? Huh?
Do we even need this village stuff? I mean, we can forget about it. Go to the court, get wedded in the court. Case closed. We don't need to come back to her. I can't stand this shame. I can't stand it. It's too much. I said it. I said it. That nothing, no obstruction, no human would stop me from getting what is mine. And I got it. Asama got it. Where are you going? I am asking you, where are you going? Are you deaf? Am I talking to myself? Where are you going? And I hope you did everything I asked you to do in the house.
Yes, I have.
Yes, you have. Did you scrub the floor like I instructed?
Yes.
Yes. Good. I hope you filled up all the gallons at the backyard. Because as you know, your father did not leave any money for the spoiled sumo in this house. He did not leave any money for us to repair it. So I hope you fetched all what I asked you to do.
I will do that when I am back from...
Hey, back here! Asa, come back here! Asa! Stand up! Look at this idiot! You will do that when you return from school. As what? I am asking you, as what? As the man of the house. Big man. My friend, will you run back and fill up the gallons before I slap the living daylights out of you?
I will do that when I'm back from school. I am already late.
You are late? You are late. Whose business is that? Listen to me. Margo Lakita, eh? If I slap you, if you cannot know, palms in one. My friend, run in there and fill up the gallons before I dash you backhand. Move. Move. Idiot, what do you know? You want to go to school? Dullard, look at you, slow walker. You are walking, Johnny Walker. Keeping your face as if someone is suffering you. When you know the right thing to do, you won't do. And you stand there.
Hi, Asa.
F1, descendant of the devil.
Don't you think you're rather being too hard on this one?
Fina, but do you there? Hold it there. Who cares? This little thing knows nothing other than to eat my food in this house. Yet he won't get fat. And the people will think that I'm suffering him. Yet he eats everything in this house. You see the punishment he's getting? He deserves it more than what I'm giving to him right now. This little thing talks and does things that are bigger than him. When his father comes, he starts running his mouth like spoiled tap.
said you love me. You said you never leave me alone. Why did you go away and leave me here? And I'm looking for you everywhere. Mommy, I miss you. I miss miss you, mommy. Mommy, I miss you. I 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 miss you, mommy. Mommy, you said you love me. You said you never leave me alone. Why did you go away and leave me here? And I'm looking for you everywhere. Mommy, I miss you. I miss you, mommy. 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 Mommy, I miss you.
What was I doing? Stupid thing. Look at this idiot.
Now listen to me. There you will remain until the sun sets. And afterwards you will explain to me why you left this house with a gallon and returned with a hole in it. Idiot. Ataramgi, I don't blame you. All you do is eat the food in my house. Go.
The gallon was too heavy and I cannot carry it
Chukuna, shut up your mouth!
Please forgive me.
Again, you are sorry. Are you sorry for yourself or your stupid late mother in the grave? Idiot. Offspring of Lucifer. Ewu Gambia. He goes. I'm talking. I sit falling on the floor. Chukuna Boko Kweba. Look at it. If you still open your mouth and wag it now, you will. Stupid thing.
Mommy, you said you love me. You said you never leave me alone. Why did you go away and leave me here? And I'm looking for you everywhere. Mommy, I miss you. I miss you, mommy. 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 Mommy, I miss you.
Auntie. What is it?
Why do you hate us this much? Why do you hate our family like this?
I beg your pardon.
Yes, because if you love mommy, you will not be here. And if you love me, you will not be treating me the way you do.
Look what Moko. Big boy and whatever they call. I can see you have grown wings. You now have the guts to ask questions bigger than you. Okay. Since you asked, I will tell you. Now hold your ears. Hold your ears. You see your mother? Your mother is the worst enemy I have ever. She had always been in the habit of taking what belonged to me. She took what was mine. I am here now to take what rightfully belongs to me. And as for you, I don't have any business with you. But since you now have the habit of pock-nosing, you have grown so much wings that you ran to your dad and opened that gutter you call him out to tell him you hate Asa. Mwa Wasa, you hate me. But wait for that hatred. You will continue to see it in this house. Now let me ask you. When you told him about how I have been treating you, what did he do? Nothing. And he will not do anything. That is because I have bewitched him with the power of a woman. I have him right on this. He is going nowhere. So if you like, when your father returns from his trip, you run again with this 2 left leg of yours to him and open that hole you call him out and tell him that I've been treating you badly, and you will get triple the I said hold your ears. You will get triple the punishment you are getting now. Look at his ugly face. My friend, get out of here.
I always know that you are a wicked auntie. I hate you. You're heartless.
Now get out of here. Come back here. I said come here. Now that you have grown so much wings, I have to cut those wings. And by that, you will not leave this house without my permission. And my food, you will not touch my food until I ask you to do so. Disappear. In fact, come here. I said come here. Are you crying? Oh, you start smiling. Smile, I said you should smile. Smile! Why is that your teddy? Open your teeth! Where is the teddy? It's in your room. I can see that teddy now makes you neglect your duties in this house. Tonight, I want to see that teddy in my room. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
I know you're a wicked auntie. I hate you. You're wicked. You're heartless.
Come here. She sees it.
I want to see my nanny. I want to see your daddy.
I can see your mother did not give you proper home training. Overgrown idiots.
You said you love me. You said you never leave me alone. Why did you go away and leave me here? And I'm looking for you everywhere. Mommy, I miss you. I miss you, mommy. 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 you love me. You said you never leave me alone. Why did you go away and leave me here? And I'm looking for you everywhere. Mommy, I miss you. I miss you, mommy. 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 Mommy, I miss you. I miss you, mommy.
Mommy, why do you leave me like this? Mommy, please, I need your love. Mommy, please, Mommy, please, don't bother me. Mommy,
Yes, I'm here, darling. Of course.
He would not let me rest. He said all his friends has gone to that place, so I have to take him there tomorrow. Please don't even start. And make sure you don't look at any girl there. You know me and my trouble.
What is wrong with you?
Do you want more? Should I order for you? Okay, finish this first, okay? Take it easy. Oh, use the spoon, okay? Use it. Yes. Use. Just take it easy. Don't worry, I'll get you more. Easy. No, use the spoon, okay? It's okay, drink water. Drink.
Risa, can you please kidnap me?
Big boy, what do you mean by me kidnapping you?
Just kidnap me. I don't know where else I would have run to. Take me to a place that I will sleep and wake up with a smiling face. Take me to a place that I will run all over the compound without being scared of anyone shouting at me. Please, Auntie Louisa, I need a room.
Why are you talking like this? Oh, you have a home.
No, that is not home. That place you call a home is bondage. Grandma, great grandma used to say, any home that lacks peace of mind, happiness, and love is not worthy to be called a home. Every day in that house turns a nightmare to me. That wicked woman treats me like a slave. Sometimes she pushes me to sleep in the open. My daddy doesn't show me love anymore. I don't feel love. Mommy, where are you? Please don't say no. I will be my new mommy. Please don't say no. Please, sir, please do me this one favor, or I run away. Please,
People, you are running to nowhere. You have a home where you have peace and happiness. Okay? You're going nowhere. Happiness will find you in your home. Do you still want more food?
yes.
Should I order for more for you? Then finish this one, okay?
What do I call this madness?
What did this boy do to you to deserve such inhuman treatment from you? What?
Was that for me?
Oh yeah? It was for you. Is anyone else here? Eh? Why are you so wicked?
Why are you so heartless? Why? Look into my face and tell me why you are shut up!
But no, you're there.
Hold it right there!
Look at your face. It's your face again, Megiri. It will be Elizabeth. What will your face give to me? How dare you bring in your little sliming self into my home to ask me silly questions? Bastard.
Oh, you don't touch him.
Oh.
Don't touch him.
I see. Louisa, you have ganged up. You have ganged up with my late sister's son to come to my house to fight me, right? Huh?
I am not here to exchange any words with you. I am not here to exchange words with you.
I only came here to place a note of warning to you. If anything happens to Big Boy here, if anything happens to him, you will have yourself to blame. Yes. Do you know what? I'm putting it straight to child rights. Yes. Towards your ill-mannered attitude towards this boy.
And you know what that means. Yes. You know.
Mochago.
Oh yeah?
Nkita, are you done backing?
Oh my goodness. I'm scared. I'm shivering. Which one are those? Listen to me, silly. You know my husband. You know my husband has got great connections. And he listens to no one else except me. Darling, it's not magic. Neither is it voodoo. All I need to do is just to take out time, proper time, and clean up my vineyard properly. Sachasia your fuma and pump it to him steady when he comes back. And tell him how you fool kidnapped his son, took him out in the morning and brought him back at night. And how you planned to take his life. Same when you took the life of his wife. Now you listen to me, you ugly duckling. Oh, shut up. I am the one who sleeps with this man. Day in, day out. Not you. I have given him everything on a steady. This man has tasted my honey pot and can now differentiate between offensala and ofonu. This will break you, little monkey. I am pregnant. So you see, a part of him now lives in me. If I were you, Louisa, I would dust my shameless feet. Go out there. Get a man who would love me. Get yourself a life. Get married and leave other people's marriages alone. I got the one here. The one you stole. Leave my marriage alone.
The one you stole.
And I stole it successfully. Kill yourself. Get out of my house.
I'm going nowhere.
Get out of my house.
I'm not going anywhere. Yes, drop me out.
You will not go.
I'm not going.
You will not leave my house.
I am not going anywhere.
As I said, you should leave our house.
I am not going anywhere.
Why not?
Yes.
Louisa.
I'm going anywhere. Yes. I am not going. Get out. Where's our shoes? Is that?
Take your dirty things out of my house.
And you have the right. You have the right to leave this house. Move. Move.
Kamsi, your chuku. Ntakere Kamsi. You now want to be my problem in this house. You now want to be a bone in my neck. I'm a buggy big boy in Eko. You want to be a problem to me in this house. Hasino okoro lugelu warogodo. Ikukubia oburuya burogodo. It is obvious this little monkey wants to go the same way his mother went. She cannot stop my happiness in this house. We will see to it. We shall see. Come here. Come here. Talking. Don't be standing there looking at me like a monkey. How long have you been standing there? Are you mad? Am I talking to myself? How long have you been standing there? And what did you hear?
Nothing.
Come see. Come see. Big boy. Oh, what are you doing there? Come. I prepared you something nice. Something very delicious you would like for you alone. Something good. So come on. Come and see what I prepared for you. Big boy. Don't be like that. Come on. I prepared something nice. Something you haven't had in a long time. I know we haven't been friends lately, but you know, I just want us to make up. So come, I prepared something nice for you. Big boy, Papa. Come on.
Come on. Come. I'll bring you something nice. You will love it. I know you have. Don't worry, I'll get you the chair, okay? Sit down. I want to treat you like a king today. I prepared you something very delicious. Yes. You want to see? Ta-da! Rice and chicken. Your favorite. You love this. I made it for you and you alone. You're not sharing it with anybody, not even me. I want you to have it all. Make sure you eat everything. Okay? Good boy. Come on, smile for me. Alright. Make sure you finish everything, okay? Good. Don't forget, finish everything. Please do not eat that food. Don't. Listen, mommy said you shouldn't eat the food. Don't eat it. Don't. Listen, I'll make something very nice, something better than this. Please, don't eat this food, my son. I beg of you. Don't. Please. Drop it. Drop it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Don't eat the food. Don't. No, don't even drink the water. Don't drink water, please. Don't drink the water. Don't. Keep it. Thank you. No. Please. Just leave this place. I don't want you to be here. Kansi! Kansi, don't eat the food! Don't eat the food! Don't eat the food! Don't eat the food! Please! Listen, I am your mommy. I'll make something better for you, please. Yes, that's my boy. Thank you. Thank you. Just go away from here. Don't even come back here again. Yes, that's my son. Just stay there. Read your book. Okay? I don't want you to come here again. Listen, this food is not good for you. I don't want you to eat it. Okay? I beg you. Don't go back. Mommy said you shouldn't go back. I said don't go back. Oh my goodness. Don't eat. No, my son. No. Can't say no. Don't do that. Don't eat this food. No! Kansi, don't eat! Do not eat this food! Do not eat this food! Do not eat, please! Don't eat, my son! Don't drink! Don't drink, my son! Don't, please! Don't! Just don't eat! Don't drink! Read your book. Did you eat your food?
No.
No. Why?
Because I am not hungry.
Before I close my eyes and open it, you will go back to that dining and finish up the food. Later than they'll start starving you.
A I said I don't want to eat it. Why forcing me? I'm sure you don't poison this food. You want to kill me the way you killed my mom? Deny you don't have a hand in my mom's death. People like you are not worthy to live. You are such a wicked soul.
I see. You see that food you left on the dining table? You must finish it. You will finish that food and eat everything in that plate. You must eat that food. What? Move. I see. Move. Move. You're not in.
No vex. Good evening.
You won't buy something? I don't close.
No problem. I'll buy from the next shop. Okay. I've been one ask. I heard there was an accident here this morning. What happened? How?
Madam, not be smart, you know. Now so one small boy just dey run big. Wow! That's all we hear him. Motor just smash her like say tomorrow no day.
Holy Moses. Hey? Where the small boy come dey run? He no come dey look road. Who was chasing the boy? Why was he running?
This one where they ask me now. Who I want ask? How I want take know wetin dey pursue the boy? Nobody know wetin dey pursue am. Madam, I beg, I dey beg you. No let me just remember wetin happen this morning. Because if I remember am, now somebody they do me jiggy. Since that morning reach now, I never taste anything. No be even water. Hi! Now someone picking they take die.
Hi. But where the boy? What's gonna happen? Where is he?
He died! He died just like that. And also the mumu driver take run. He no go better for that driver. But anyway, where he dey.
Amen.
If to say that somebody like you die, I for not to pay me. Because you don't need to die. For that small boy to just spy like that. Madam, you get a CV, you check am.
Stop him there. Which kind of mumu talk with that one? Which one be if na me die? What kind of joke is that?
No vex. Now player they play with you. Don't mind me.
But the thing where they pay me, now that driver, how can he be so heartless? Hit a little boy and run away. He not even say make he carry him go hospital.
My dear, as I did, they cry. They carry phone, they call for help, they call police, they call everywhere. Now so, another woman appear from nowhere. He kidnapped the dead body. He carry and go. Nobody know his name. Nobody know where he from. And the mumu boys where they around, they will call themselves men. They there. Sit down, another woman. Come kidnap small picking dead body just like that. Go. If not only me one, that woman no go carry that dead body go. After they go say, wetin men they do, women no fit one. Now name one, only me. I no go carry that dead body come out.
But where they carry the dead body go?
All am there. Wetin they try to talk now? Say na me talk pass, I be waiting. I don't understand. Because I dey yarn give you, I be waiting. I won't take no way the dead body. You carry yourself, go mortuary. Go out the mortuary where they for this area, where they for your own village. Go find where dead body dey. Wetin be that one now?
Madam, calm down now. Whenever they fight,
I beg, I go change that for you.
Vex. It shows that I was feeling for the boy. The thing pained me when I hear him. I was very sad.
Nobody feel for the boy past me. And as I don't tell you finish so, I won't make it just a match. They come out from my shop. Oh yeah, they come out. I go change that for you.
Wait. Listen. So Kamsi has been missing for days now. And you never care to call to tell me.
My love, calm down. I need you to understand it from my own point of view. Understand me. I didn't want to talk to you about it because I didn't want you to get all worked up. Moreover, this is not the first time this is happening in this house. This is what I have been passing through since you traveled. That boy hardly sleeps at home. Kamsi goes to God knows where and comes back the next day. He sleeps out. Sometimes he doesn't even come home at all. And then when he manages to come back, when I caution him, the next thing that comes out of his mouth is, "You are not my mother. You cannot tell me what to do." You know, even the last time he did this, I almost got pissed. He said I should ask you about his mom, that you know what happened to his mother.
Wait. Kamsi said that?
Oh, my love, just calm down. Because I am tired as well. I'm as confused as you are. But we need to take it easy. Please. And my love, when Kamsi comes back, we need to talk to him. Because it is obvious that he has been conniving with that Louisa lady. For him to have mentioned that, it simply means that she has been poisoning his mind against you. Listen, I don't want you to get yourself all worked up. Just take some rest. Sit down. I mean, relax. You just got back. And this is why I didn't want to even talk to you about it in the first place.
Do you know what? I am going out there in search of my boy right away. I am going to get the police involved in this.
Police? No, honey, wait. Listen. Listen. Let me talk to you. It's alright. It's alright for you to go to the police. There's no problem at all. But look at the time. You just got back. It's late. Just, go in there, take your bath. And guess what? Come on, Cass. I actually prepared your favorite, something you will love. So, I'm just going to take off your shirt, run the water in the bathroom, and get you to have your bath, okay? What is wrong with that lady?
I wouldn't know.
Babe, that lady is up to something. I can feel it. She's up to something. Please, I beg you, don't kill me, don't kill me. Please, don't kill me, please. Aku, please. My twin sister Rose, even when nothing should happen. Because she has sinned against heaven and earth. She has desecrated the sacredness and the sanctity of your blood.